you go. What's up, guys? Sorry, technical difficulties. First time try to stream for a while. All right, so happy New Year to all of you, Model Train Society, and we are going to talk about it a lot. So this is introductory stream to, well, I thought over the Christmas time, so luckily it's over. And I found a lot of interesting things, especially this year. So happy New Year, thank you. Kyle's HO here. Joel's train. Sorry, guys, if I'm missing your name, mispronouncing, apologize. How much do those run? Okay, if we're talking about the system, we'll talk about soon. All right. So, this specialist season at the store, we found I tried to explain. So, person coming and the eyes like immediately. Let me make clarification. So the person that gentleman probably age group hard to tell 40s 60s between like even much younger guys like coming and like looking around bunch of decoders bunch of electronics bunch of that stuff so it's kind of a little bit shocking right now. So when I start 2000 with I think I got the lens in 2000. Long story short, so right now it's very hard to get to the hobby. That's what my understanding. So maybe a person that guy, let's say, has as a kid like 20 years ago, 25 years ago, 30 years ago, got like a train set, maybe Bachmann, maybe Tycho, maybe something like this, for life like, correct me if I'm wrong, I really don't remember. So, and that set, so he play and she play maybe, yeah. So those kids play and put it on the shelf. Right now they have kids or maybe grandkids and they taking this set and try to run it. And it's usually not happening because old kind of inexpensive stuff, made when I think manufacturers moved to China, the quality was like lower as possible. Right now, we're talking about different ball games. So I'm encouraging you guys subscribe to my different channel, DCC Train LLC. The link right there, and I'll put it probably one more time in the description, and it will be right there on that bubble thing. Okay, so it will be 101 easy like entrance to the hobby right now because it's, yeah, we're talking about like 10 different digital systems, we're talking about 10 high top level manufacturers, no kids, almost like no kids, all that stuff. Younger generation guys and who out of the hobby for 20 years, they just don't understand what's going on. Yeah, no mom pop shops, they closed in the last 5 years like dramatically. And you see some big outlets like hobby stores, with some section of model trains. And I'm not seeing they getting a lot of help. So everything online, and that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so MMZ, what's up going on, man? What's going on, man? All right. So today, my introductory, not a lecture, just introductory to the beginner. So I will do live streaming on that channel and here. So it depends. But if it's longer, like maybe boring installation stuff, we'll go to that channel. Also with a maybe simple setup, but it will be mostly online. Okay, for English speaking. And I have another channel, DCCTRAIN Live. That channel will be for my Russian speaking some videos. Okay, for if I need explaining something complicated, because here usually it's like our reviews with Rob and we'll do just, I think we need focusing more to help like beginners to come into the society. Okay, so um, Russians celebrating old New Year when they do like that Soviet Union thing, change calendars or whatever. It's very weird. So on the 13th there is like old New Year. So they celebrating, somebody is celebrating Christmas, then New Year, then all kind of Russian Orthodox Christmas and that old New Year. So Happy New Year again, с Новым годом. Um, What's up, my man Napoleon Bonaparte? This is an English channel, so I'm trying to keep everything in English. Welcome, of course, but that's what's going on. So, luckily for everybody, Digitrax brought new system right now, and it's amazing. So I honestly I turned it yesterday at the store, open it up, hook it up, and wow, it took me like literally like 30 seconds for I understand. I'm not really everyday Digitrax user for testing and stuff, and I'm not. I'm running one layout though, um, and it's amazing, guys. So next video will be one by one, and I will do kind of comparison what starter set you want to try, from the beginning. So I'm focusing right now, it will be using Kato Unitrack HO track, okay, because unless you build layout working with flex, it's very tough, unless you super handy, you still need a lot of skills, but you need to learn DCC first if you're going with DCC route. um, I know a lot of our customers. They're like, Alex, no problem. Money not an object means $500 system. It's kind of it's expensive. So, and somehow they just waiting till layout is done, and they getting system that was like 5 years ago. They getting system hooking up, nothing working. So before you building layout, unless on a loop of track like a train set, we making also from different parts, you need to learn digital system from the beginning. So minimum knowledge, how to operate the engine. I'm not talking about. That's what I'm trying to accomplish right now. So here we go. That's the channel one more time. Who just connected? It's DCCTRAIN LLC. Somehow the reason also Google, YouTube through Google or whatever they're doing, they make that channel as for the business. I got on the Google profile that tick verification, and that's what's going on. So anyway, we'll do definitely more videos from scratch. And also I'm next room to that, it's in my basement. Next room I'm building a new layout. So on the live channel I just turn the camera and you guys can watch for probably 2 hours on weekend, maybe in the evening. I'm still behind on installation, sorry, but trying my best. Here we go. Okay, so DCC all the way. Next video will be live also. I will hook up, just give me a couple of minutes to reset everything. I'll hook up this to the track and we'll run engine. Then we'll hook up DS64. Then we'll hook up the wireless unit, and etc. 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 We'll go over to like really advanced level. Okay. Lofty and Scalar, how does new Digitrax system compare to Rocco or ESU DCC command controllers? Hello, sir. I hope you're happy with my engines I send you. We'll talk probably later. So, depends. I'm with Rocco myself. If you following updates on pencil layout, it was dilemma between ESU, Digitrax, and Rocco. For me, and I'd like to use Railcom. In that case, Rocco Z21 more friendly in user interface, and for my customer, because the wireless hand throttle is really easy to use, and it's very reliable. They have like bigger numbers. I'll show you in a second. So that's, I hope I can turn it on. Yes, it's not connecting to anything right now, but this is Rocco throttle. Okay. Um, Ergonomics is good. There are some pros and cons, but that's our decision between the customer and me. Now, Digitrax and NCE and all US brands at this point, Digitrax has transponding mechanism. Okay, I like to use feedback with Railcom. Okay, and Railcom Plus decoders. It's a little bit pricey, but it's resolving a lot of issues. It's again my personal opinion only. Nariman, what's going on, man? So, and that's what I also try to accomplish. Like, try to show you we are just became a dealer for DG keys. I'm sorry, I'm mispronouncing the. That's European company. I just got all verification. So I bought my Rocco Z21 from you and combine it with DG keys components. Perfect job, sir. Excellent job. Yes. So we'll have. I need to learn about it also. We'll definitely get a lot of components from DG keys and scalar. DG keys is from the Netherlands. Yes. So Dutch. Yeah, Netherlands. Netherlands. My Russian messing up me right now. So anyway, guys, with proper knowledge from the beginning before you choosing your digital system, that's what important to understand. You will get, because sometimes I'm doing, yeah, 101 consultation with our customers, like having big layouts or club layouts or layout in the basement, and it's kind of small group of people, you know, friends, modelers. They living without like a community, so you can come to like, I don't know, to the club and run your train. So it's pretty much in the house, right? So lately we suggest to get, for those guys, they don't want super like advanced stuff, but they want reliable system, and it was NCE. They happy, and they're really happy with it. So here we go. Yeah. So Lofty and Skiller saying it's a great system. You're talking about Rocco Z21. I'm assuming, and DG key components should be working well. Yes. So that's what my point. I don't want to do like a fight between in the 2000, that beginning of DCC, it was like fight between different not different manufacturers. It's like competition. It's absolutely okay, but between the users, that's kind of not fair. So that's what I want to avoid. Just some people have the different preferences, and that's where I'm trying to guide you guys. Okay, so cool. Thanks for watching. I'll take a small break, redo all that my setup, and we'll do start video how to just set up the system and use it first time. Okay. Thanks again for supporting business. Subscribe to live channel, DCCTRAIN LLC channel, right here again, for live longer presentations and bunch of fun stuff. Cool. See you soon. Bye bye.